Okay, we're here in Break Bones. Okay, this is me. Do you like my character? It is very cool. Okay, so I'm now gonna jump. Oh, hello. Okay. Zacron721, you're about to go viral, I think, maybe. Why am I doing front flips? And that looks like it hurt. Each. Why are we still rolling? Still, there we go. Okay, that's quite good. Okay. Right. Whoa, that is so high up. Let's jump again and do 360s. Let's go. Okay. Let's go. Ow. Okay, and into the water. Okay, better than last time, that's for sure, I think. Oh, there's a tunnel. Look. Whoa. It's quite long. Whoa. Whoa. This is so long. Okay. So we're still going up. We're still going up. And we're still going up. And, oh, are we there? Oh. Wait, are we at the top? Are you kidding me? Are you actually kidding me? Wait, wouldn't I get more height if I was just to climb on top of the mountain? Well, yeah, I'm gonna try and do that. Let's go. Okay, but we've not got reset yet, so I think we're cooking. Oh, can I not jump it? Oh, yeah, I can. Let's go. Yes, I'm up. Oh. Okay, right, let's just go. Whee! Ow. Okay, and I think when we get to level 2, we get like a power up. So, I'm gonna try and get there. Okay. And I think this is it over. Yep. Okay. Let's... Oh, there's someone trying to go the same way as me. I wonder if we used to go over on top of the mountain, we could get more height to jump. Okay, I'll try that next. I think. Oh, I might. Okay, let's try and aim it for the head. Oh. Okay. And guys, in the comment, rate my skin. I think it's adorable, but look at it. It's just a hamster. You know. Whee! Imagine this in real life. Yes, yeah, I got the ability because I'm level 2. Let's go. Ooh. That is solid. I wonder how much money we're going to make on this run. So far we've got 27,000. 9,000 bucks. Okay, let's see if we... how much is the next map? 25,000. Okay. I'll get the 25,000 one. Drink. I think now we're a bit higher up when we jump. Yeah. Okay. Yoink. Okay. Oh, whoa, I flew. Like, actually. Okay, so there is a cooldown on the ability. So we can't use that quite yet. Oh, slide down, slide down, slide down. Oh. Okay, not as good as the other one, but it's still okay. Okay. So, oh, there's the hole that I think we was trying to go up. Yeah, because there's the rock there. Okay, let's jump in. Let's see how good this is. Ooh, ooh. Okay, it's not that good, but it's okay. Yeah, we only got 2,000 from that, so I think it is definitely better to jump from here, because I've been getting in the 9,000. Ooh. Okay. Let's jump again. Oh, wait, there's a first person mode. What? Wait, I'm gonna jump like this. Whee! Okay. That was actually quite quick, but we did get $3,000 from that, so I'll take it. Okay. Right, now we're at first person. Right, I want to try this when I climb up the cliff. There probably is going to be a, what do you call it? There's probably going to be like a barrier that will teleport me back down, like all of the other times that I've done it. But oh, there is definitely an invisible barrier. Oh, yeah, it teleported me. Okay, so now I'm going to see if I can try again, but not go to the barrier. So, okay, so I'm going to stay here just to be safe. Okay. Let's go. Why am I not ragdolling? Oh, gosh, dang it. Okay, so instead of going up there then, I'm going to see if I can go to the right, so I can ragdoll from a bit higher. There we go. From right here. This is good. Let's go! Ooh! Okay. Okay, $4,000. Okay. Oh, there's a shop. Ooh. I'm gonna upgrade one of each, I think. But I want to see what else there is. Oh, a helium balloon. I'm gonna buy that. That seems helpful. So, there we go. Alright, now... What a rocket boots? A jetpack? Okay. They're insane, but we don't have enough money. So I'm gonna do one of each. There we go. Okay, let's see how these upgrades help us. Yeah, look at the bottom. Helium balloon. Let's go. What does it do? What does it do? Oh, whoa! I can just like re-fly. That's insane. Okay, I'll probably be getting over 9,000 from this jump. And guys, if you didn't know, if you land on your heads, you earn more money. I don't know why, but you just do. Yeah. Oh, we didn't earn over 9,000 that time. Okay. Alright, let's jump from here. So, I am controlling my character, so I'm trying to make it land on its head. But I think it only works from like really high up. So, yeah. Oh, hello, Karina. Okay. That was close to 9,000, but not quite there yet. Okay, right, if you guys want me to do another one, then like and subscribe.